northeast. And since we all know that Lord Shiva is one of the biggest yogi who does meditation all the time, so this particular direction is dedicatedly particularly for the meditation part, or you can keep your mandir or the temple over there. So that is the main zonal energy of that particular zone. Other than that, if you talk about the attribute of this particular zone, it says that's a clarity of mind. Why it says clarity of mind? Because we will discuss about Vastu Purush. That is, though it's a part of the advanced part, but if we say general belief wise, the Vastu Purush has got a bodily structure within our plot or the house or the flat, whatever it is. So in this particular northeast direction, वास्तु पुरुष हैज गॉट हिज हेड. तो यहाँ पर उनका वास्तु पुरुष का सर है. तो सर इज बेसिकली द हेड इज बेसिकली ऑल अबाउट द माइंड, राइट? सो दिस पर्टिकुलर जोन बिलोंग्स टू द क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड. सो व्हेन आई वाज मेंशनिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल यस्टरडे, लाइक देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मनी, पैसा तो बहुत आता है बट जाता कहाँ है, डोंट नो. सो व्हेन यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग, व्हेन यू डोंट हैव एनी क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर जोन इज अबाउट द क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड. तो जहां पर भी कंफ्यूजन है, जहां पर भी मेंटल लेवल पे प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं, दैट मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द हाउस, और आई शुडंट से द कॉर्नर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज नाउ, नॉर्थ ईस्ट जोन ऑफ द हाउस इज समवेयर cluttered or disturbed. It could be much more extended, it could be cut, but it is disturbed, it is cluttered. तो अगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट जोन अगर क्लटर्ड है तो क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड को लेके पर्टिकुलरली इशू आएगा, और वो किसी भी वे में आ सकता है. यू माइट नॉट फाइंड एनी आइडिया इन योर लाइफ कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है. यू मे नॉट नो वेयर टू गो फर्दर. कुछ भी जहाँ क्लैरिटी कंफ्यूजन है वहाँ कहीं ना कहीं नॉर्थ ईस्ट माइंड है. Even when I ask people like what modalities are you doing, and they say I am doing tarot, I am doing crystal, I am doing numerology, I am doing astrology, I am doing so there are n numbers of healing methods and n numbers of occult science as well. 50-60 things are there. But if I say okay, what is the end, and they say I don't know, it's just happening, I'm just learning and learning. So again I think that means somewhere northeast zone is disturbed, because we don't have any clarity. We should know like what we are doing. It was happening with me as well when I was learning so much occult science or the different fields. I was learning the same thing like numerology, astrology, vastu, crystal, and hypnotism at the same time. Career counseling I was doing at the parallel thing. So I was doing lots of things. But then I found similar like you, like okay, I know my purpose. So when you know your purpose, that means northeast is okay. And when you don't know anything about in terms of confusion, then obviously northeast is somewhere disturbed. So that is all about your mental energy, your meditation zone. And since it's the direction of Lord Shiva, or other way around, if you talk about the planetary wise, Jupiter rules this particular direction as well. So in the DT it's Ishan, or the Lord Shiva, or planet wise it's Jupiter. तो ये ऑल अबाउट जो लोकेशन है, इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर द मेडिटेशन पर्पस और टू बिल्ड योर पूजा रूम. तो पूजा रूम अगर बनाना है इस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे, सो इट इज द मोस्ट प्रेफरेबल प्लेस, वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड और वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस यू कैन से. तो उसके लिए तो बहुत अच्छी जगह है. बट द ओनली वन थिंग which is written over there in the books, if you are having a puja ghar in this particular zone, don't keep red cloth particularly, because what happens in generally in Hinduism, they put red cloth even on the block, on the platform, or even they cover goddess or the gods with the red clothes. So red cloth is not preferred over there, being a water zone. So red basically denotes with the fire energy. So fire and water can't mix, we can't mix it. So we shouldn't put any red cloth for a longer time, first thing. Second, we can't keep a red bulb on 24/7, which people generally do in the temple. So we can't do that thing. Third thing, which is there, if it's a place for the temple, that means only the god or the goddess can be kept.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए.